This is the latest addition to my spinning toy collection. What you're looking at is an optical illusion of a levitating globe trapped inside a spinning helix. The name of this thing is Luna. It has no magnets, no strings. The first time I looked at this thing, I genuinely had no idea how it worked until I looked a little closer. After looking at some videos online, I was a little bit skeptical that the optical illusion would look that good in real life, but it definitely does. This is going to be a great little addition to my desk furniture. If you're interested in getting one of these things, comment the word Luna below and I'll send you the link.